At the very outset, I would like to thank the NPYF for always taking up issues and concerns and activities that are related to the youth of our state. As has always been mentioned and was mentioned by the Honorable MLA also, that the larger section of our society today is made up of our youth. And hence, policies, programs, activities and schemes that are youth-centric is the need of the hour. And hence, I congratulate the NPYF for organizing this wonderful tournament. But I would like to just tell the youth that sports is a very, very important and integral part of a youth's life. Apart from enjoying the game, apart from the physical activity, sports teaches us many things in life. First and foremost, it teaches us about hard work. Without hard work in life, in no area or no sphere or no work that you do, if there is no hard work, you will not be able to succeed. So hard work is very, very important. Second thing that sports teaches us is discipline. Even if we work hard, but if you don't have the discipline to get up on time, to practice on time, to practice as per the routine, and be disciplined to what we're doing, we will not be able to succeed. And the third and the most important thing that sports teaches us is that life is full of winning and losing both. And as a sports person, you have to learn to be humble when you win, and at the same time to be courageous and brave even when you lose. Because in life also, there will be many times and occasions and challenges that you will face. Sometimes you will win, but sometimes you will lose. Learn from your mistakes, become better at what you do, and ensure that every time a loss or a failure is there, it should only be a stepping stone to the next platform of victory. As a small token of appreciation and support, I would like to donate and contribute 1 lakh rupees for this tournament from my side, for this particular tournament being organized by the NPYF. So with these few words once again, I wish the tournament the very best. I wish the players the very best. I wish all the team members and all the managing committees the very best for the tournament. May the best teams win. Thank you very much.